Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. A company called BuyGlobal have sent me a cordless lawnmower to review. Now, I have had it out of the box once, but I was in the direct sunlight, so I've moved over here beneath the shade of the apple tree. I have already read the instructions. Now, when it came, it was packaged up slightly differently to this. I've already put it back in the box to move over here in the shade. Obviously, the first thing you do is you read the instructions, and the instructions tell you that you must charge the batteries. You get 2 batteries and 1 charger. You must charge the batteries before you start using the product. Incidentally, there's an option where you can buy a double charger. I've got the option with 1 charger. It took me about an hour to charge each of the batteries. When they're charged, got this little indicator here, and when it's fully charged, it goes all green all the way along. Can you see there? So my batteries are charged. It does say on the instructions it's 3 hours to fully charge it. Those are the boxes the battery came in. I'm actually just laying it all out here so I can check that I've got all the bits and pieces that I need. There's a little bag of things here. I'm doing it on a flat surface so that I don't lose stuff in the grass. Okay, this is the heavy bit. Right, so we have a handle, and I read in the instructions that there's a handle on here for lifting the mower up, so that can go there. And I need to attach that, obviously. So let me refer to the booklet and let's go through to make sure that we've got all the bits that we need. This is what was in the box, and here is a list of what should have been in the box. So, and you also get a little guide, a separate guide on how to fit the wheels, although that is repeated inside the main booklet. Right, so let's just go through. We have number A, letter A, a cordless lawnmower. B, 2 wheels. C, a grass box. A rear mulch plug. Now, where's the rear mulch plug? It's already inserted. That's a rear mulch plug, so it obviously does both grass collecting and mulching. What else should we have? 2 flat washers. They're in that little bag. Quick release pins ×2. They're also in that little bag. A locking lever ×2. That's these 2 green things here. Put them there separately. So everything is present and correct. It also refers to a charger and 2 batteries, which I've already mentioned. I have fully charged. These are both charged up. Right, okay, what does it say first? Telling me to put the rear wheels on first. Place the rear wheel onto both sides of the axle. It's obvious which is the outside edge and which is the inside edge, and that's immediately started to roll. Okay, so there's 2 wheels on the outside of each axle. I'm going to put a battery there to stop it rolling, and that should give you a close-up on this side. So there's the wheel going on the axle. There's the washer going on the wheel, and then we got the washer and the split pin, and now I have to split the pin. So I'm actually going to use that little screwdriver to do that. Now you can see that that pin can't come out because I've bent both ends of it here. I'll go and do the same on the other side now. Washer, split pin, and then split the pin, and then we need to cover those up. These 2 plastic caps, which just click in place. So those are our 2 wheels on. Next thing I have to do is fix this together. Okay, right. These are those things, a bit like on a pedal bike, where you can lock them with a lever. So you put it into a comfortable position, and then I'm going to have to undo it a little bit, and then that will just lock into position like that. Same on the other side. Obviously making sure it's in exactly the same position on this side as it is on this side. And you can see these little teeth here, and there's actually a mark there, and there's 3 little marks here. So I've aligned that little mark to the first one on this side, on the other side as well, so that's the same on both sides. Let's do this handle bit in close up. Okay, we're going to need a bolt. Now these have got square things here which fit into those square things on the inside of the handle here, so that once that's in there it won't rotate. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Place one of these on so that when we tighten our bolts onto that we can lock it. And now let's do the other side. So when you tighten these up, make sure that the square bit is located first, and then don't over tighten before you lock, because you do need a little bit of play in order to lock. And you can just keep testing it. I've over tightened that, so I'm going to go back a couple, and now that's locked. Can you see? Right, so fixed here and here, fixed here and here, locked. I've demonstrated how to do it. Yes, it was a little bit fiddly, especially when you've got big fat fingers like I do, but it was easy. Let's face it, it was easy enough. If I was doing that 2 or 3 times in a day, I'd have it done in seconds. Right, nothing complicated. Now, I'm almost ready to put batteries in and have a play with it, but the next thing I really must do is secure this cable. We don't want to lose cable, and you've got these 2 cable clips, and obviously that's going to go like that. And that's going to clip onto there. Similarly up here. The demonstration video will be a different video, a separate video, and it will be linked in the description box below this one. Right. I'm just going to have another look at this mulching attachment. You use this when you don't want to pick the grass cuttings up, and it chops them up and puts them back into the ground, and they will rot down and feed the lawn. Of course, you also need to put this together. This has got these little black plastic tubes which obviously just clip over this frame like this to keep it in shape. That is obviously going to just sit on the back of there like that. And then the mulch attachment tool's got a little handle on it. I don't think you would, obviously you wouldn't mess around with this if the battery was in, or if it was on. That just sits in there. It's got 2 little plugs here and they just sit in there. That's ready to mulch. Great. I'm almost ready to have a play with this and do a full review, which will be in a different video, which you will find linked in the description box below this video. How do I review a lawnmower? Well, I have a criteria. I wrote a criteria of the things that I would look for if I was reviewing a lawnmower, and they are appearing on the screen now in front of your eyes. So that's my criteria. It's things like the battery runtime, the deck size, the lawn size suitability, the charge time, the box capacity, the cutting height options. Quite important this, because if you're cutting long grass, you can't start off on a very short mow. So it's great to be able to lift the deck up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different settings. And of course, if you like a well manicured lawn, very short, you can bring it right down here. Start of the year, on the first cut of the year, obviously you give it a long cut. So that's the deck height. And the batteries will go in here. You've got to charge them both up before you use them, and you've got to have them both installed before you use the thing, because it won't work unless they're both installed. They sit in there quite neatly. Can it mulch? Yes, it can. Can it be folded? Well, you can unlock these and fold that down so it can be folded into a small space. You can carry it using that handle. And I believe with the battery powered ones, you can store them upright, unlike a petrol one. And what's the price point? Well, if you want to buy one of these and you want to see how much it is, the link to buying these is in the description box below this video. And also, there may well be a special offer or some money off at this moment. So do check below this video before you go and buy one. Well, I'm very pleased so far. It does feel a bit space age, actually. It does feel light. I imagine this is going to be very maneuverable and probably quite quiet as well. So that's the assembly video finished for now. Don't forget the link is below, and the link to the review video is also below. below this one. I'll see you soon for some more cordless lawnmower adventures. Bye for now.